channel. I'm Quoialen if this is your first time here. If not, welcome back. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is officially my 200 subscriber giveaway details video. I know I was supposed to do this like a week ago because I actually hit 200 subscribers a week or so ago, but I've been so swamped with work. But here I am today to give it to you guys. So yeah, if you want to hear the details about my giveaway, just keep on watching. So yeah, I'm filming this right before I have to go to work, but it's gonna be super short. It's nothing major. So yeah, thank you guys again for 200 freaking subscribers. I'm actually at like 216. I think I looked right before I started filming this. Let me check. I'll check. Yeah, 216. Even though I said this is a 200 subscriber giveaway, I am going to include that 16. So if you have subscribed to me by the time I've made this video, yes, you are included to be a part of this giveaway. Okay, so before we get into how you actually enter the giveaway, I do have a couple of rules. Rule number one is that you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel because this is a giveaway for my subscribers. So therefore, you have to be subscribed to my channel to enter my giveaway, and you have to allow me to see it. If you don't know how to do that, there is like on the app, there's a little settings button, and you have to keep all my subscriptions private, and you have to toggle that off, and then that way I'll be able to see who is subscribed to my channel. I will put like how to do that somewhere on the screen. I know I'm just talking about it, but I will put it in here somewhere. Rule number two is that you have to be following me on Instagram. My Instagram name is @Quoialen, just like my YouTube channel. You have to follow me on Instagram for the simple fact that I can't contact you through YouTube, and I don't want people knowing your address or knowing like any conversations that we have, so I don't want that public. So therefore you have to follow me on Instagram so I can DM the winner once I choose them. Okay, so those are my two rules. So to actually enter the giveaway, you have to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, of course, but come back here after those two things are done, comment your favorite Starbucks drink, and comment your Instagram, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. Comment your favorite Starbucks drink and comment your Instagram name. That way I can be able to contact you, because I am going to be pulling from my YouTube comments and not anything on my Instagram. Just wanted to make that clear. I'm going to be pulling from my YouTube comments. Not anything, not no DMs on Instagram, no comments on my pictures on Instagram, nothing. I'm just strictly using Instagram to contact you guys so I can get the package shipped out to y'all. I know I'm saying all of this, but the instructions will definitely be in the description box once this video goes live. So once you see this, you can just extend the little description box below and read the directions, and then follow along and you'll be able to be entered. So I was saying, that's it. It's super easy. I think I picked some good giveaway items. I hope you guys or whoever wins the giveaway enjoys it. There will be a handwritten note in there from me to whoever wins. So yeah, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Like when I started doing my channel a long time ago, like before I was kind of consistent like I am now, I had no clue if people would subscribe to my channel, if people would thumbs up my videos, or if anybody would even watch me. But to see that 216 people, and I'm still growing, like that's crazy to me. So thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate it. Your support never goes unnoticed. So thank y'all so much. Oh, I'm so proud. It's only up from here, y'all. It's only up. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for subscribing to me. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.